Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how Camera Pro Mode looks on the Honor 90 Lite. So we have to simply move to the More modes, and right now we have to go for the Pro Mode. It appears right here. And first of all, I can recommend you to click on this information icon where you can find a description of every parameter. Next, let's start from the left bottom corner. We can find the first option. It's called the matrix metering. The second option is the ISO level. When you click on this automatic button, it means that right now the phone will adjust this settings automatically. The next option is the shutter speed. Right here we can find exposure compensation. Here we can find automatic focus, continuous focus, and also the manual focus. And right here we can find the white balance with the presets and with this slider. When you click right here, you can also find the flashlight. You can just turn it on. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.